Where do we want to go? I'm all in on this game now, right? It's the calm before the storm. Fans coming into town. The Raider Nation is here. They're taking over Vegas, and it should be an unbelievable weekend. I can't wait.
It's time to go ahead and get this stuff done. We can still make it to the playoffs. We can still do what we got to do.
We've gotten closer. We're more unified. Everyone just believes in one another.
We definitely going to have a challenge this week. It's going to be fun to get after them, so, man, we just going to try to come in, do what we do, dominate, and hopefully win the game.
Fans have already started to pile in. It is filling up quickly. Looks like business as usual.
So the Raiders now are all in, and they were going to be all in anyway, but they got to win this game.
All hands on deck. A huge game for the Las Vegas Raiders.
Not any of the Raiders start with y'all.
Every play, fellas. We home. Love y'all boys, bro. Let's go, fam.
We're only gonna go as far as y'all take us, fellas. Lead the charge. Come on, fellas. Be the hammer, not the nail. And pose your will on this team all day. Own this. There is no tomorrow. Starts and ends with every one of you guys, man. Put us on your back. Put us on your back. Let's go, fellas. Let's go. Let's go, fellas. Let's go. Here we go, fellas. We're going. Let's go.
Hey, man. It's time to make a choice. Yep. It's time to decide what this team is.
Let's go take what we want. Take what we want.
After this game, we're going to come right back here and we're going to visualize the victory after this game.
Hey, set your mind right now. Nothing before this matters. We came here with everything still on the line. Everything you wanted in the offseason is still out in front of us. What would you give for that moment right now?
We're going to choose today to play fast. We're going to choose to play together. We're going to choose to overcome adversity. We're going to choose to be great, man. Make that choice. Make it. Play like Raiders. Here we go.
Recognize, communicate, and execute at the highest level. Let's go. Only thing that matters is what's about to happen to these 4 quarters or more. Everything we want is still right here. You gotta go take it.
Just stay locked in from start to finish, bro. Don't overthink anything, bro. We're living in the moment. We put in too much work, bro. Have fun today.
Everything we talked about for the last 4 weeks, we earned today. Here it is. Whatever you want, you gotta go take it. Ain't nobody can give it to you. Let's go take what we want and keep our season going. Win on 3. Raiders on 3. Raiders on 3. Win on 3. Daddy on me. Daddy on 3. 1, 2, 3. Raiders. 1, 2, 3.
And now here he comes, number 4. Listen to the crowd for Derek Carr. You ready to rumble, partner? All right. I'm ready now. There we go. As we are underway. Here comes Jacobs down the middle. Goes to the end zone. Touchdown, the Raiders. Jackpot, baby. 4th down and 1. Hand off to the running back. No, they didn't get it. Raiders football.
They don't allow y'all to rush on that defense. That's why I love being a Raider.
Running again. Oh, they can't stop that.
Here's Jacobs. Hole on the right side. Cut to the 10. 5. Jackpot, baby. Vegas touchdown. Yeah.
First and goal for Las Vegas. Carr lofts it. Touchdown.
Jackpot, baby. Vegas touchdown. Sack. Berry.
Gets tripped up from behind.
He's in trouble. He's going to be sacked. I mean, he's buried. And he's hit in the pocket and crushed. And Mad Max Crosby doing it again. Now he's going to go down. That was Ngakoue who sacked him. And he's going to be sacked. Mad Max Crosby.
Carr looking for Drake, and he got it. Drake inside the 5, and he's in for a touchdown. What a pass from Carr.
Pass play down the middle to go, and it's there. That's Deshaun Jackson tiptoeing for the touchdown. They look down the sideline, and they say he did not step out. It's 56 yards and a touchdown for the Raiders.
Operating out of his own end zone, will throw it. Oh, the catch and blasted, and a safety. Casey Hayward was all over it. It's intercepted, and it's picked off. No, it's intercepted. Intercepted by Abram.
Here comes Carr, play action, drops straight back, looks down to the middle, fires it up over the top. Complete, got Zay Jones inside the 20-yard line.
Carr throwing back shoulder. Edwards goes up and makes the catch. Touchdown Raiders.
Got a running zone, fires on the move. Caught. Yes, sir. Hunter Renfrow. Hunter in the end zone. It is caught. Fires on the run. Jackpot, baby. Touchdown Raiders. Hunter Renfrow.
Herbert firing, and it is going to be caught in the end zone by the big body Mike Williams. Insanity.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, mercy, my.
And we are going to overtime.
What are we gonna do about it? Let's go. We're gonna fight, we're gonna give up. Let's go. Everything we want today is still there. We gotta go take it. What happened, DC?
Seconds. Carr looking for some magic. Moreau needs to get out of bounds. Cuts it upfield, gets some extra. Let's go!
Carr launches, caught! Over the shoulder, Brian Edwards, Mr. Clutch.
And now it will suddenly be 3rd down and 10, and now the Raiders are up against it. Deadlocked at 20. Carr back into the gun. Offensive line does a good job. Carr steps away, fires to the right. Got it as Renfrow. Renfrow down to the 22, gets back up. Renfrow down the sideline. Still going.
Step up. Long ball Carr. Got his man.
They run Jacobs. Huge hole. Comes across the 40, 45. He's across midfield before he's finally brought down.
Into the 5 to 10 to get into Carlson's range. Pressure coming on 1st down. Carr on the move. Zay Jones has it. Inbounds. Clock winds.
Here's Carr backing up. Steps up. Gonna fire to the right side. Grabs it. They gotta hurry. Ball's at the 36-yard line. They gotta hurry. They gotta give Carlson a chance.
And the Raiders are in position to win the game.
On comes Daniel Carlson with a chance to win it.
The Raiders have won 5 games on the final play this year. Good hold.
Carlson, that's a winner.
Yes, baby. Jackpot, baby.
And the Raiders have won it.
And it is delivered. Good. The Raiders win it.
Good job, boy. How about the Raiders?
Jones is open. Jackpot, baby. Vegas touchdown.